In this video, I'll teach you how to sync MyFitnessPal with Trainerize. In order to do that, you first need to make sure to install Trainerize and MyFitnessPal on your device. Once you have done that, I have in here this help article that can help us. First thing that you need to do is open your MyFitnessPal app and then tap on the More and click on Settings, and from in there, click on the diary sharing and make it public. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here some options, and it should be able to publicize your diary sharing. Next is to connect Trainerize with FitnessPal. Onto the Trainerize app, click on the MyFitnessPal, click on Connect, and then after that, input right here your Trainerize option, and it should be able to connect it. From in there, you just log in your MyFitnessPal information such as your email address and password. Click on sign in, and then in here, your username can be found on the MyFitnessPal mobile app. Just input that right there. Authorize access, click on done, and then toggle on the diary sync right here on the MyFitnessPal option. Click on OK, and it should be able to sync those two apps together. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.